What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna change the emblems, the Toyota logos for the Supra to black. These ones, they're gonna look amazing, look at that. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it came inside of my box. The front, I think this is the front one. The bigger one is for the front and the smaller one is for the rear. It's a gloss black back for the emblem and the logo is in matte black. It's amazing. You see, it's cool. Same thing for this one. That's nice. So each logo is $35. This is 35, this is 35, both for $70. It took around 2 weeks to receive it. So if you order this, it's gonna take around 2 weeks. Okay, the website is emblemsonly.com. That's the website. So now let's install it. Let's remove the old ones first, and after that we will install these ones. These are the OEM. I added a tint on top of the emblem, but today we're gonna make them black. Okay, the emblem, this is the way it goes. On the back has 3 of these, so be careful when you are removing the emblem. These are gonna be in the way, so try to go from here and then in here and then on the top like that to remove it. Okay, but the new one, it doesn't have this. Okay, so now let's install the new one. Let's clean it with alcohol and then let's put the new one. The rear emblem is the same thing, has 2 sticks on the top part. When you're removing, be very careful not to break them. Look at this, it looks amazing. This is a small mod, but it do a big change to the car. Totally different. I'm planning on adding the yellow wrap inside of the gloss black, but this is how it looks with the gloss black background and the matte black logo. It looks amazing. Look at this. This is the front logo. It looks great, super cool. Now this is the rear logo. Look at that. Beautiful. This is how it looks with the gloss black, but yes, I'm gonna add the yellow for the instead of the gloss black. So let's do that change and let's see how it looks with the yellow inside. Okay, I made this. So I'm gonna see if this one fits on the logo. Let's do it. Guys, this looks amazing. Look at this. amazing. Wow. Looks super cool with the color of my wrap in the center. It should come like this from the dealer, but I don't know why it doesn't come like this. Man, that's beautiful. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. Look at this, it looks amazing. Look at that. So I added my wrap inside of this one, so it looks yellow and it matches my wrap. But the badges is matte black and gloss black background. But this, it looks amazing. Also, they have more options for different logos and badges for different brands, so check them out. The link is gonna be on the description down below. If you have a question or a comment, put it on the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.